Okay, today we're going to unbox this Rivian R1T truck bed liner. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending it to me so we can do an install. I can show you all the details of it, and we're going to drive around and do the cooler sliding in the back of the truck test. I got to show you this. This is super cool. This is a truck bed liner for my Rivian R1T truck. It goes in the bed and it's super precise and heavy duty. It's going to be nice to keep things from sliding around. It's going to be nice precision sized. So go ahead, open it up, see what it looks like, and then in a second we'll go put it in the truck. Okay, so this little note says they've rolled it up for shipping, and so I need to put it in a nice warm environment or in the sun, and it will flatten right out for me. But this is pretty darn cool. It's got this hex pattern on the bottom to keep it from sliding around in the truck, and then on the top it's got the name, and it's got this rubber coated ribs. And so if we go take it inside, I'm outside here because this is so big I thought it'd be easier to film out here. And you take it inside or lay it in the sunshine for a few minutes, but it's precise size and it matches the bed of the Rivian. That's really cool. We're gonna go put it in the truck, take a look at it. All right, today we've got this pad for this Rivian. I'm going to highlight the fact that on the bottom there's this hex coat, and then on top it's nice and smooth, it's nice and rubbery. Whoa, we got our 2023 Rivian R1T truck, and we'll just slide this right on in. It's actually kind of a perfect precision fit, and then as we just pointed out, this rib lines up perfectly with the trunk, and then when that locks down, this comes up and stays completely out of the way of the tailgate. So when the tailgate closes, it doesn't smash down on that at all. I'm pretty impressed. That looks like it fits good. All right, well, I think it's going to keep things from sliding around in there. All right, now we're going to do the cooler test. We've got the bed liner in. We're going to try and slide this cooler around.
The neighborhood.
Shoot! Oh, baby! I forget how.
Is it moving?
Nope.
Oh, good. I wasn't sure. Should we give it the real beans? Here, hold on.
Okay, hold on.
Let's see what happens.
Oh, shit. Damn.
Slam on the brake test. Did it move?
Nope.
Oh, that's good.
All right.
Alright. Now let's go take it out and try it again.
Okay.
Try to be scientific and do the same. Oh, I didn't really get that window clean, did I? We can do the real test here. Let's see. Put it in sport mode. Let's see if we can get it to move.
You might throw me through the back window.
Yeah. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that made her move. That's okay though.
That's taking a lot. Well, I mean, this vehicle will do it, but most vehicles can't take off that fast, so that's pretty good.
All right, now we're doing the cooler test without the new fancy bed liner.
This is a closed course. Do not try this at home.
We are trained professionals.
Oh, the neighbors is gonna get pissed.
Oh! It's not looking good for our non-bed liner.
Okay, here we go. Hold on.
We just about lost it out the back. Whoa, baby. You're having too much fun with this. I can barely hold on.
So, I can hear that it's not the same.
No.
Oh, Ian, I should have done this. Look. You can watch it at the bed camera.
Hold on. Watch your mama. Watch your mama.
That bird's gonna kill me. It won't last. So very. And back we go around the corner. I think that pretty well proves the point, right?
All right. So, yeah, we definitely have a winner with this bed liner.